You are welcomed in the Rose Project. I myself, Mr. Kamblesar from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalay, Upshinge Military. Students, today we are going to study a very important topic from grammar section. The name of our topic is articles. Since you are learning of English language, you have been coming across with a number of words, but articles are something special and it is mostly used in English language. Without it, any kind of writing will be incomplete. It is the most important part of English language. Articles are, in short, adjectives or determiners. They specify the noun and noun phrase. So let us see in detail the topic named articles. In English language, there are three articles named a, an, and the. Now we can see the definition of the article. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. Students, you understood the definition. After that, we can see what are the types of articles. Here, two types of articles are there. First one is definite article. A and the, out of these three, the article is called definite article. On the other hand, a and an are called indefinite articles. So we can see what is meant by definite article. Definite articles, which is to be clear, exact, or obvious about something which is used in the relation to a particular thing or person. Now we can see indefinite article. What is meant by indefinite article? It is a determiner that introduces a noun phrase and implies that the thing referred to it is non-specific. So, a and an and the. These are the three articles. Out of these three, the is a definite article. On the other hand, a and an are called indefinite articles. So, let us see where to use a, an, and where to use the. There are some rules of using a and an. Let us see where should we use a and where should we use an. Here, article a is used before a singular noun that begins with a consonant. On the other hand, article an is used before a singular noun that begins with a vowel. You know vowels in English. Those are A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels, and remaining letters of English language are called consonants. So let us start some important rules of using a and an. See carefully. We are going to see where to use a and an. As I mentioned before, that a has to be used before a consonant word and an is used before a word which is a vowel. It is used before a singular countable noun that occurs first time in the sentence. Means any word that we mention in our sentence first time, before that word you have to take a, and that word must be a consonant. See here example, I have a car. Here for the first time we have used the word car, so we have taken a article. C is a consonant, so that we have taken a. See very next example of that, there is an elephant. Students, in first sentence I used a car, but in the next sentence I have used an. Why? Because elephant, this word begins with a vowel E. E is a vowel, so that we have used an. Next rule of using a and an, it is used to a specific class and not to an individual. The example of this is a cow has horns. Here it means all cows have horns. Here I am not speaking about a particular cow, but all the cows of the world have horns. See very next example, an eagle flies very high. Before cow I have used a. On the other hand, in the next example, before the word eagle I have used an. You must have understood that cow, C is a consonant, whereas eagle, E is a vowel. See the third rule. These articles a and an are used before any degree and professional post. So whenever you will go ahead, in future you will have your own degrees. Before that degree, specific articles are used. You see carefully, BA. Here I have used A because B is a consonant. In next example, become, B is also consonant, so that I have used A. But in the third example of degree, MA. Here M seems to be a consonant, but its pronunciation is M, A, M, A. Here we utter the word M. This begins with vowel, so that we have to take an. And same with MBBS, that M is also begins with vowel, so that we have to use an. Next degree is, this is a post, SP. SP, yes, begins with vowel, so that we have taken an. But in the last example of this profession or degree, principal, here we have used A because P is not a vowel, it is a consonant, so that we have used A before the noun principal. So these are the important rules of using a and an. Let us see next. Now we can see where we have to use the article the. At first we can see about the. Article the is used before a singular noun that is already known to us or the specific thing. Generally, many students used to say the, some used to say the. There is important rule for using the and the. When you come across with the word that is a consonant, before that word you have to use the. And before the word, if the word begins with a vowel, before that you use the, but you can pronounce it as the. Here are some rules of using the. Students, see carefully where we have to use the article the. It is used before the names of rivers, oceans, islands, mountain ranges, deserts, newspapers, airlines, ships, and railways, etc. Here we have given example the Ganga. Ganga river is here definitely only one kind of river is here in this world. No other Ganga is there, only one Ganga is there, so that we have to take the before Ganga. And whenever you will mention the name of any newspaper, that name will be preceded by article the. Here that example is given, the Times of India. It is the name of English newspaper that you know quite well. Next rule for using the, it is used before the famous books, religious books, directions, and before the common noun that appeared before the name of religion. You see here examples have been given. Hindu and Muslim. Hindu is also religion, Muslim is also religion, so that before the names of religions we have to take article the. For example, the Hindu, the Muslim. Let us turn towards next rule of the article the. It is used before the noun if the subordinate clause gives more information about it. And see the example. I met the boy who helped me at the station. In this example, the underlined sentence is a clause. It is a subordinate clause because this clause gives more information about the boy whom you met. And when the subordinate clause is given and the name appears before that subordinate clause, before that name we have to take the article the. See on this page the last rule. It is used to show proper noun as a common noun. In this example, two proper names are given. You see carefully. Valmiki is the Shakespeare of India. Students, you know Valmiki is the great sage of our country. On the other hand, Shakespeare is the great dramatist of England. But here Valmiki's writing is compared with Shakespeare, but here Shakespeare's name is not used as the proper noun, but it is used as a common noun. When proper noun is used as a common noun, before that common noun we have to take article the. And this is the fine example of that. Valmiki is the Shakespeare of India. These are the rules. Let us turn to see the remaining rules of using the. The is also used to show the whole species of a specific kind of animals. The dog is a useful animal. Here, the before the word dog is used to show a specific kind of animal. Next rule, it is used when the adjective is used as a noun. Generally, we know that rich, poor, happy, beautiful, such words are called adjectives, but when the adjectives used as a noun, here see in example, the rich are helping the poor. Here rich means indirectly rich people, and poor means here indirectly poor people. But here rich, that adjective is used as a noun, so that before that word the article is used. Now see the next rule. It is used if any adjective is there before the proper noun that adjective will be preceded by the. Suppose students, if you are writing any quality of any person, means that quality means that adjective, and that adjective will be preceded by the article the. See example, the great Shivaji. You know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and here great word gives more information about Shivaji, and great is an adjective, and that adjective is preceded by the article the. See the next rule. It is used to show a word that indicates weather. The word which is related to weather one, such as the wind, the air, the rain, such kinds of words have to be used with article the. Now next rule, the is used before the certain words such as the names of theatre, cinema, office, museum, station, etc. Means whenever you want to write about a name of any theatre, any cinema, or any office, before that word you have to use article the. See the last example of this page. It is used before the noun which is a post or a place of power. Means here example, the president. President is a post, as you know. The CM. CM means chief minister. It is also very important post. PM, prime minister. It is also a post. When you are using any post of power, that word will begin with article the. Now let us see the next rules for using the. It is also used before the names of our body organs. Whenever you will write about any organ of our body, before that name of organ, we have to use the article the. The stone struck me on the head. This is the example. Here, before the word head, head is an organ of our body, we have taken the, because as per the rule, whenever you mention the name of our body organ, it will be preceded by the article. Now come to the next rule. It is used before the names of musical instruments. As you know, a number of musical instruments. Whenever you will use the name of that musical instrument, you have to take the article the. See the example, the flute, the guitar, the tabla, etc. Whichever the instrument is there, whenever you will write the name of that musical instrument, you have to use article the. Now see the next rule. It is used to show the nationality of a person. Example, the Indian, the Japanese. Indian man will be called Indian. On the other hand, the citizen of Japan will be called Japanese. When you mention a nationality of any person, see the example, the Indian, the Japanese, means to mention a nationality of a person, you have to use article the. Next rule, it is used before the names of historical empires, castes, tribes, era, specific events, etc. Example, the British rule, the Civil War, the Negroes. Here the British rule is a historical empire. All of you know that the British also ruled our country. On the other hand, the Civil War, the Negroes is a specific kind of caste or races that is present in the world, and whenever you come across with historical empires, castes, tribes, you have to use article the. And last rule of using the, that is, it is used before the superlative form of an adjective. All of you know that positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree means adjective in its third form, that is coming with est. That example is given: the greatest, the best, the highest. These three words are superlative form of an adjective, and whenever you write a superlative form of an adjective, you have to use the. These are the specific and too much important rules about using a and the. Just we have seen its rules, its examples. Some important things are also there that we should not forget. What happens whenever we come across with the words? There might be a confusion. What kind of confusion is that? You see, sometimes the word begins with a consonant, but it is pronounced as a vowel, so that an must be used. As we have seen at the beginning of this topic, in the first rule we have seen that when the consonant word is there, we have to take a. But sometimes what happens, the word seems to be a consonant, but its uttering, its pronunciation is a vowel, so that we have to take an. See the example: an R. The spelling of R is H-O-U-R. Though it is a consonant, but the pronunciation of this word is R, and R is a vowel, so that we have taken an. Same with M-A. M is grammatically a consonant, but when we utter this degree or this post, it begins with M-A. M-A. A is a vowel, so that we have to take an. On the other hand, the word begins with a vowel, but it is pronounced as like a consonant, so that we have to use a or the before that word. You see the last examples. A university. As I have told you, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and here university word begins with U, but the pronunciation of this word is not like a vowel, it is pronounced as a consonant. A university, U, Y-U. Y is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So when we pronounce this word, we use it as a university, so that though it is a vowel, U is a vowel, but its pronunciation is as like a consonant, so that we have taken a article. Next example, uniform. Same with university. U, Y is also a consonant, though this word begins with a vowel U, but its pronunciation is uniform, means its pronunciation begins with a consonant, so that we have taken the. And last example, euphoria. Here this word also begins with a vowel E, but its pronunciation is euphoria, so that you must be alert and careful regarding reading the word and its pronunciation. It might confuse you, but if you read carefully, you can surely write appropriate and accurate answer. So students, today we have seen the most important topic of grammar, that is article. In every writing of English language, you come across these letters, these words. It is mostly used word or letter that we have seen. There are three articles, a and the. We have seen which is the definite article and which is the indefinite article, in which we have seen the is a definite article. On the other hand, a and an are called indefinite articles. After that, we have seen the rules of a and we have seen examples of it and its proper use. After that, we have seen the rules of article the. We have seen its examples, and at last we have seen important things that to be kept in our mind. In this way, we have learnt this topic. Thank you for your cooperation. And last suggestion to you, go through these rules once again, work over it, practice it, and be ready to get complete marks of this article. Thank you and best luck for your examination.